Okay, brand new unit. Today we are actually, this whole unit is about measuring things. And today we're talking about measuring length of things. What are we talking about? Length is how long something is. And so we're going to start off with an estimate activity. You guys are going to look at your desks, and I want you thinking, how many pencil lengths do you think your desk is? Online friends, maybe this is your table at home. So when you're looking at the space that you're sitting at, how wide do you think that is in pencil lengths? Now, just so that we're on the same page, your guys' desks are kind of funky shaped, right?
Yeah.
So when your desk looks like this, I want you measuring from here to here, okay? Not the side that's closest to you on the curve end, but on the further point. Yep, point to point. So that's what I want you measuring. Now, right now, do I want you actually pulling out your pencil? No, I want you estimating. Who can tell me what an estimate is? What's an estimate? Brielle. It's a guess, or it's like about this much. Nobody should have a pencil out. Put it away. That's cheating. Nobody should have a pencil, because you're going to end up talking with your neighbors and you guys are going to decide as a row how many pencils wide do you think your desk is. And online friends are going to fill this out.
What if you have a tiny pencil like this?
I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to make your guess, okay? Starting now. Make your guess.
What if you have a tiny
You're not talking to your neighbor right now, you're just guessing.
I think 5.5. I think 5.5.
Alright, plus. Some of you are starting to do this, so I want to give you a moment. We are going to actually talk with our rows. So check out my table here. Each row, that's not a nice spot. Each row is going to decide as a row how many you think. And so let's say like Eli thinks it's, these are fake numbers, right? Eli thinks it's 100, Savannah thinks it's 50, Landon thinks it's 50, Maddie thinks it's 100, and then Keegan would have been the tiebreaker. And Keegan says, no, I think it's 50. Which amount would they tell me as a group?
50.
So you have to, as a group, decide just one number. And if you can't agree on a number, then it's got to be in between the two that you guys are talking about. But I'm going to give you one more minute to talk with your team and decide if you were going to guess how many pencils wide your desk is, what would you say? I don't want to hear your answers yet.
No,
You may actually, when I say go, you're going to get up and you're going to have a whisper talk with your whole row. And you guys are going to decide how much it is. And when you've decided, you can sit down. When I see every row sitting back down, I'll know that you're ready to go. Okay? Starting now.
Can you do orders?
Okay, so I'm going to let my front person in each row go ahead and report what your team decided. So Eli, what is your row's estimate?
4.5.
So they think it's going to be 4.5 pencils wide. Okay? Jade, what does your row think?
Maybe 5.
Maybe 5 pencils wide. Skylar?
4.5.
They also think 4.5. Emerson?
4.5.
Oh, I'm spying a trend here. Rylan?
6.
6. So if we were to put these are all pretty close, right? Now here's the next thing. Whoever sits in the back of your row, Maddie, it's going to be you today since Keegan's gone. But the person in the back of the row, I want you to pull out your pencil. And when I say go this time, and online friends, you're just going to pull out your pencil, okay? And when I say go this time, I want you to actually use that pencil. Now, let me show you this really quick. Skylar, I'm going to have you keep doing that, and I'm going to record this, okay? Because I want to show you how Skylar's recording. Well, there we go. He's actually marking with a finger where to put the pencil to use that same pencil for the length going across the whole way. And friends here, Skylar, you can see that, right? But everybody is going to measure. What he did is he took his pencil and he said, okay, I'm starting here. I'm putting my pencil there and I'm marking with my finger. And then I'm going to put that same pencil here and mark 2, 3, 4 until he gets to the end. That's what you're doing with whose pencil?
Right here.
Well, then is Skylar's pencil here up front?
No.
Who gets to choose the pencil that's being used? Braylon? Whoever's in the back of the row. Are you ready? Your teams may go measure. Teams go measure.
Look.